So we're gonna have a conversation. Ragga just in boy,
Yeah.
bro. The
Because
energy,
right, so, at
the
meet and
energy,
greet.
the energy of the show.
Grab that chair, bro, God. And yeah, come join in at the show because obviously.
Right?
you don't
We're
know the
fix
thing
things
go.
in the studio. The people them say, I first them ever see Ragga so calm. Cause you don't know what? Let me tell you no one secret. He said me and Ragga and I had a very deep conversation.
Sure.
And we have to say to Ragga, when you follow that studio, don't bring no cornmeal, don't bring no water, don't bring no flour, just forward with just you. Don't bring nothing at all. DJ Hype, now you understand how him calm and cool and collected this evening. Ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining us for
Nice.
another episode of the Upper Life Show.
No, you have come on tour.
That real life.
This is how talent I do.
Boy, I mean, I tell you.
But you, when I want to stop, brother. We're not going to the interview next time on the stage.
Ragga don't want to talk. Ragga just want DJ for people then.
People, you are going now. Like,
We,
who don't know Ragga Ruggie or only say Ragga Ruggie?
You're going to know him now.
I only say Ragga Ruggie in the viral moment. So, this is the time where you're going to meet and greet. And I have two little questions because you want to open the phone line on one part. So, you know, get an opportunity for calling and ask Ragga a few questions, you know. If you don't have nothing to ask Ragga because you don't know, like, we have a conversation with Ragga. Because you don't know, like, a lot of time we don't do this. And we not wait till it's too late because him is one of the living legend because look for Ragga is a legend in England. Ragga do, I don't feel like nobody will emulate that. You can't imitate it. Like, once Ragga is gone, Ragga is gone.
Yeah.
So we have to enjoy Ragga while he's here.
Yeah.
We have to enjoy that moment. You know, we have to bask in that little glory. So people, share the life, share because you want to know. This is going to be
the moment.
a history moment.
Viral moment, bro.
No, it's going to be viral. Trust me.
Ragga forward him with a piece of energy there, bro.
You know, I'm going to go easy because
Me know.
what you going to deal with it?
Me know, man.
Yeah.
Me know.
Jesus Christ, brother.
But first
God
and
know.
foremost, Ragga give thanks for passing
Yo,
through.
Jagan, before we say nothing, tell some of them big stars that they learn to perform. Because some me I sit down and I feel like Michael Jackson. I just want to run through the computer.
Yeah.
Yo,
Yeah.
Jagan, you're the greatest, man.
Big up
Come out
yourself.
and the greater than I tell you, you know.
True.
Brother, you make me feel like it's a treat, a concert.
True.
Them can't perform, so brother. Them can't play, so brother. I know I entertainment.
Yeah.
Jesus
So
Call Ragga.
Let's just everybody introduce themselves. Starting from a right, just introduce yourself. A lot of people might see on the internet. Who don't know your name, could you just introduce yourself to them?
Well, good evening, everyone. This is the one and only MJ Expensive, who know me as Expensive Dancer. Yeah, and Ragga Ruggie writer.
cool, man.
Yeah, and everybody should know that's Ragga Ruggie. Who don't know, you know a dragon this. That's the little brown ras. MJ,
Yeah.
I have to commend you. Like, in terms of what you bring to Ragga Ruggie performance. And like a lot of people don't understand, say, the backing, what you do, and the little song where you're singing and interject. Like, a lot of people don't understand how important that is.
That is.
And what that add to the performance. Like, a lot of people kind of look upon that and like it's something simple. Like, it's not everybody can do that. Because I realize, say,
For real, man.
every great artist, the Berries,
Yep.
you know, the Dennis them,
Yep.
the Bob Marley. Remember, them say Bob Marley and I Trees, you know.
Supporting vocalists.
You see me? And look upon them, we talk about the Rita, the Griffiths,
Judy Howard.
the Judy.
Yeah.
Are some great people, them just call, you know.
Yeah, man, for real, man.
So I look upon it, I say, yo, feel like say you are one of them great teachers because like you have an energy, you have a vibe, you have a swag. And I feel like say two one energy just match.
So basically, if I should answer that, what I go on now, as like a father and son.
Yeah.
I don't know, just know this guy through music. So basically, we're coming from them say I'm day one, we're from Kingston, both of us.
Okay.
City.
Same area, living in the same area. This guy was a legend when I was a younger.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
My mom interact with him. My mom usually tell me stories about him. And what happened now, I get interacted with this guy by, he usually come to Jamaica on a regular basis. Them time there, I was just a guy visiting overseas, or visit America, other countries before I live in England. So basically, it was this guy just come with his energy, this vibration, this bright energy to the whole community. This man keeping treat in the community where we're from.
Yeah.
Wherein he's bringing like maybe I tell you, no exaggeration, we have like maybe 200 kids.
Yeah.
And every kid that get a school bag, every kid that get money for go back to school, everybody that get book and pencil, he keep a massive treat. And from that one time, we invite a sound. You remember Shuggy, Small Voice? I forgot the name of the sound, but he's a big entertainer and selector guy. He was playing the night, and Ragga Ruggie invited me. Shuggy tell him, no man, you have to meet MJ, but we already knew each other from before. But he never know that I got into entertainment business.
Okay. MJ and Ragga, feel free to answer this question. You know, in a True Spirit Open Live show.
Yeah.
At any moment, have you ever feel discouraging about what you're doing? Because
Nah,
you know,
man.
typical Jamaicans, some of them would have say, "We're not a papi show." Have you ever feel that they like say, yo, you feel discouraged because what you do is kind of unorthodox and like uno turn up to an event
So,
and the event was dead and uno left from we call it 0 to 1 million real quick.
Let me answer that, MJ.
yeah, go on.
Ras,
Yo.
you see Ragga Ruggie, you see the more people, I do things with people laugh off of me though. And I do things with people call me Papi Show.
Yeah.
I know what I'm doing. But more time, the people, them, I don't check so them know what I'm doing. Everything I do, me know. I sit down and study it. Pen see talk. And more you laugh off of me though. I say the more you laugh off of me, the more money I make down.
Yep.
You're gonna video me and say watch this Papi Show. And that video when you send it to your friend for laugh off of me, but send it to more people. So the more people see it and laugh off of me, the more I get viral. That's what I'm saying, viral prints. So in this era, you have to do things so people just laugh and happy. The greatest thing, we not make no mother cry, we not keep no liquor pitney. You see me? We have the things so people laugh, and laughing is a medicine. So in your mind, if you want, say yo, a Papi Show. Remember say,
Yeah.
Ragga Ruggie don't listen to comments.
Ragga, how do you get that boldness about it? Because I realize you have that don't care attitude, like you will out anywhere in your costume doing you and you don't give a fuck about what nobody say. Where you get that attitude from?
I think I brought up as a youth. I tell myself say I want to be different as a little youth growing up because I was a baby star though.
You're a baby star.
Yeah, I gotta give a baby star.
Cool, no man.
From the age of 5, 6, 7.
Cool, no man.
I'm famous so. When I growing up I used to see like Tristan Palmer, Black T, Donald Piggy, Skinny Rankin them. You see me, the biggest star them for me, Daddy Freddy them from the Youthman promotion and me as a youth watch them, the Liquor John, the Peter Mitchell them, I watch them. So I in myself growing up as a liquor star,
Yeah.
I say anytime the glory come, I want to be different. But as a liquor star, them used to be different as a liquor youth.
Yeah.
You see me tear up body pants, cut up my clothes them, some big earrings, some big after 6
Image.
I used to cut down the street wire when everybody asleep at night time and use the electric wire, make me train them. I pray that rain don't fall, because in the rain fall, the thunder flash.
Lightning.
Lightning are gonna die.
Good old lightning catcher.
Oh my God. My
Yeah.
train them, I have to wait till like 6 o'clock. I call them after 6, because I have to wait till the street light turn on. I can't wait them in the day. I have to wait till 6 o'clock. So I used to be different as a little youth growing up. I have the dream and the mind. Say any day the glory come, I want to be the leader, I want to be the best, I want to be the greatest. And everything is happening right now.
Cool, no man.
Where last year I get Artist of the Year.
Yeah.
And this year I go in for it again because I don't see no one, as I want to see on the show, everybody just call up. So I have the whole place for myself now. And
Yeah, Ragga.
Yeah.
who never rate Ragga, rate me now. See there, me there at the biggest platform in the world. This big
See, they
platform.
give thanks, give
I really
thanks.
appreciate it from the bottom of the heart and the hard work.
Yeah.
Bring me here. I go to the big BBC. I go to Capital One next year. I go to Ministry of Sound. So a touching place now offer the creative of my style. And when you see Ragga Ruggie, you might get the same lyrics them, but I mix my lyrics them and my lyrics them. I see the big artists them come here, come sing the whole them old tune. And for them tune a millions a year, my tune them just in the era.
So let's talk a little bit
Hold on
more.
there, Rasta. Before
Sorry, go
we
ahead.
talk anything, I want to ask this now. Like, do you feel like saying, because I've been watching this space, and really and truly, like, funny enough, you get your break from or a collab with somebody outside of the dancehall scene, and you always been in support of the dancehall scene and doing everything Jamaican. Do you feel like, say, promoters, go around Ragga Ruggie, or some of them don't put the respect on your brand as what you should get?
Well, you're gonna feel like I want to cry now. I'm going to do about this interview. We have to make a part 3 of this interview. There's so much things to talk on, and I'm an emotion youth. Ragga Ruggie is one of the kindest youth, clean heart, and what the Dolphin, what them name? NFL.
NFL,
Yeah.
Miami Dolphin.
Tell me if I muggle some clothes to them and them give me something, not too big. Them give me a little thing and say, MJ, that take the money and share it right out at AG Live. Ragga Ruggie is a youth, keep back Fundy right in Brixton.
Very
KFC.
kind and clean hearted.
I
You
do
know?
everything, I don't keep nothing for myself.
Yeah, good
And
energy.
I don't do the people nothing, and I see the promoter in this country. Everyone, Ragga Ruggie get the biggest fight, and it hurts so much where I'm innocent, I don't do people nothing would I make you laugh. So,
You ever have a conversation with any of them? Well, because you know who and who are fight you out.
I know everything.
So have you ever had a conversation to find out, like, what exactly is the
No.
problem?
So my time Ragga Ruggie, I'm different, you know. You know, people check say the person who them sip on the internet.
Is a person...
I'm a different,
Yeah.
it's two of me down. You have Ragga Ruggie, you have Sean, I'm a quiet person.
Talk about the government name, man.
I don't like noise, I don't like excitement. So Ragga Ruggie is a person. I don't say anything, I don't talk to people. I just hold my pain to myself and allow them to God and say everything I'm a God person and my water don't go to waste. I said hold them with away. And so Ragga come be the man of the moment, the way them see one of the watch and try to friend me, not for them call me for friend me. Give up on me. I do so much hit song and never hear Ragga Ruggie playing that dance.
Yeah, right now Ragga is on everybody TV.
And you know what? I mean, see so much iconic fashion show keep in London, like
Yeah, man.
dance party. And when you talk about fashion statement and
Ragga
style,
has to be involved.
if you don't call Ragga name, something wrong.
Yeah, that's true.
And oh my God, so much of these party. And me are looking at our community, our dancehall community. And me have to say promoters, you do better, man, you do better.
Yeah, man.
Because like somehow one might look at it and say, yo, him a papi show or him a this or him a that. Because what him do or one don't like what him a do. But listen, some I see people who want a book from Jamaica. I saw them get them stardom and them fame because look on Valiant.
Catch you at the
It's a little stupid video, make people know Valiant. But we don't know Ragga here. Ragga been around the block like
time.
from years. How much big artists, the being the rare them have to give praise to Ragga and say, yo, from Ragga youth.
You might do it.
So him stay, so him like as I recently see a post, an old video of yourself when you was a kid.
Yeah. Yeah.
I perform. Talk with you that and what age was you with that video?
That video, I was 10, 11, 12, where Ragga Ruggie, you don't know I come from a poor family, where mommy and daddy, you don't know mommy, I do a little sweeping job. Daddy I born him cool, but Ragga Ruggie is a youth where don't depend on mommy and daddy.
Yeah.
So that dance, I go there to pick up buckle. 'Cause you don't know the buckle.
Yeah.
Can you turn down the TV? Buckle, yeah. The buckle is a thing where that I will lick bread and
So,
butter.
so let me
in
get a
the
look
morning.
inside. So basically he's trying to say the drinks bottle.
Yeah.
Yeah,
Like
we
from the
understand,
drink-
man. We
yeah.
get,
Remember,
we
we are
get the
proper
strips.
Jamaican.
Yeah.
We are
don't
Jamaica
think
where
that-
we from, so we know the
So,
strips,
alright,
man.
yeah.
Big up yourself. Yeah.
When I reach the dance with my little bag, picking up my buckle, is Metro Mead and Erie, Sheriff Land. Enough people not to know that a Waltham Park Road. So pick up my buckle, hide my buckle on my yard, went back to the dance. So in those time, we are stars still, you know, cause I'm a baby star. But you don't know your motor and Gilly Priest them there at the gate and you see me, we are the go to now nothing. So I have to wait till 6 o'clock in the morning when everything fly up.
Yeah.
Bowl through
Should
the
be in.
gate and should be in. When I reach there, Peter Metro, Sons, Teacher, Professor Nuts, Admiral Bailey, Pinchers, pay a big star, their lecturer them, pay a big star. But at the time, I do a song for Aries that are the sound that I play. I do a song for them, I get $60 Jamaica. You see me, and them ears know me, so when everybody at DJ, Joe Lickshot say, we're gonna let in the monkey. And when, if you listen to the tape good, you'll hear some people in the crowd. And we know these people. Because from me, I lick them powerful than read people. If you listen about the tape, you hear them say, I drop off of the rhythm. And from there, some prove them, say, I'm the greatest. And me said,
So hold on, when them said me let in the monkey, are you them that attack?
yeah, me's a monkey.
So why them refer to you as that?
as monkey?
You don't know where I get to youth and nothing now go on. And you see me?
Okay.
It's hurt still, but we show them say the monkey are the greatest.
Yeah.
And you see me? That dance, all them praise me as a king. Because I take the dance and Major Mackerel, all of them.
One
Man.
of the top
As you can see, watch it good. Me I destroy Major Mackerel. No facilities, no facilities. Me say some big artists come take with that. So, Ragga Ruggie is a youth where if you listen and watch everything we go on, my style, enough big artists take and not. That's the more time I use back them something because them thief from me.
Yeah.
You see me? All of the clothes, me the first artist that you out me here, but whenever you used to use a dye, you have a spray buckle with a big marble in it, you have a shake the marble and we spray where go Coney Park.
Yeah.
The hair, the
Me bringing that.
Tin spray?
tint spray.
We spray by
Me
is good and
bringing
them
that.
something there.
That you use on dye your hair?
Yeah.
How much buckle you use on dye
One
your
buckle,
hair?
man. Spray up me here, red.
Jaja.
Coney Park no good. We soon reach here,
So,
sir.
so I'm Ragga. We have to ask, because we see you in some one-of-a-kind fashion. Where do you buy your fashion from?
Vaxxer market, Vaxxer market.
Enough people,
And-
should them hear me sing about Vauxhall Market.
Yeah.
Them run go down there.
I can't find it.
Because I don't know when I time, and I'm not
Me that try find what I saw them, but couldn't find it.
Can't find it, so me cheat them one at a time and say me get to that space and run down that space and can't come back down. La, so you can't say Ragga Ruggie clothes and Ragga Ruggie make AG tell
Yeah.
you. I buy costume every day.
Yeah.
Yeah.
I buy costume Thursday, I buy costume every day.
So
Right now.
so suppose, all right. So let's talk about it. Viral Prince Ragga Ruggie. Yeah, people who want to emulate or to copy your style. You gonna bust them pound when you get your suit them.
No, them have to create, they can't give away everything. 'Cause
Mm.
That are my biggest powers, my clothes. Because you have some artists too, most artists. When you hear say Ragga Ruggie come, them scared. And most of the fight I get to the artists, them tell them, the big artists them fight me too. Them tell the promoter them don't put Ragga up on the show, them scare me. And me do have a hit song, them have hit song, all millions of hit, them get Grammy, them get everything. Because if you can't see the most of the park show them, by the people them reach at the gate, them don't remember the show them. Because show different from them come to normal PA. But show thing I me use and win all the time. Me I come in at the space eyeglass, me I come in at the moon something, me I come in at the thing where me I drop from sky. So nobody, you when you come
It's different from a regular man's
different.
performance.
So Ragga
Right.
Ruggie automatically take the show from
Right.
you. We have
I
all
like
of
to
it, them.
talk things in existence.
Yeah.
So, this summer forwarding, Cartel coming into the UK, how would you feel if Cartel give you a call as Ragga, I want you to forward on wireless for me as a cameo performance? Because obviously you've been doing the waves in the UK, and I feel like you deserve that, to share that stage, a call up from the Great Vice Cartel on a show like that. Would be something you accept?
Yeah, man, big up Vibes Cartel, and if you can say, a couple years back when Isaac hit the show, England was winning. But I don't know what getting the promoter they made or in the artist they made. England lose out from what the England not take the show. I told them no Ragga Ruggie had the greatest performance in England. They try to stop Ragga Ruggie first.
Yeah.
You see me? So when the big artists them come over here, you don't see it's no bad artists that they are in England. But when Isaac hit the show them at Kernet and Elephant and Camden Town, England was leading. So from what they know, England drop off everything. Cause nobody know they have faith. Them hide Ragga Ruggie and fight me. Brother, give God thanks to AG. At the street, and go back the bus in a brother.
So-
Whole
so-
bunch
so-
of
so-
killing
so-
a brother.
so
Go
let-
and crying a youth.
Big
So
up
youth
AG,
go and
man.
cry, brother.
Well,
Take this live virgin. Big Ragga Ruggie, me not give no story on people. Jesus Christ, God Almighty, me say. Me see the man them a fight me take off me eye. Me see man them a fight me. No Ragga Ruggie up on the show. Me see them like dog and hold me thing, you know. As the greatest performance in the man where they come in a fire. The man where they come in a crane, the people laugh, virgin. And some man come here, a DJ. DJ thing, gonna show thing. What, when you see Ragga Ruggie over that show. You expect anything. People pay them money, you pay a big 200 pounds for entertainment, and they ask them, come over, you come to normal pay. Just sing them something with the people, that's not a show thing. So them just say, no, Bram, fight me. We stay in my kitchen, cry, beg God, cry, God, cry. What? So, brother, I drop this, my love from your baby, I miss a stage, when I say stage, brother. Brother, them something on the lyrics, so. Me the only, we go back to the AG from zero, me the only artist here, Brixton, about 8 months now, I have a week, a different style and different image, People sit on them here like X Factor, I wait for MG and Ragga Ruggie, People sit on them here every Saturday, we are seeing all people live. Right now, I see one little baby, AG, sending come, one little fat baby, I go on like
everybody
turn
Ragga
Ruggie, People want entertainment, brother, so this is how I go on now. We stay in my kitchen in that ball. Play a show, I see the whole I star them come here. Come sing the normal play. People them not getting a proper entertainment, but through the people them can do better. When you have the madman, you have going in the electric, or going in the bulb, people laughing at me. They say, I stay some ball. And say, God, help me, send away for me. And one day, I stay some past Brixton, and say, AG. And say, one day, I'm going to take over the platform, And one next Saturday, I go there and say, I'm going in the camera. You see me? But AG is a youth, brother. He's a serious youth, brother. And I say, AG, stay son. I say, I'm going to take over this one day, man. That time Daddy Freddy I lead the platform,
Yeah.
So one day, I go down there, in my brown shorts. And from there, so, the rest of history. History, Dragon.
Yeah.
Because I say, yo, we don't want the do it, the DJ in the street. Me shame. But I say, Ragga, the street, you're coming from Frog City. With the boardhouse and the zinc, take back your thing there.
Yeah.
And I take back my thing there. And the rest of history, me the number one artist at AG platform. You know that deep?
Yeah.
Where right now, there's no stopping now. Because you know it's AG right now. I am the man at the moment.
Yeah.
Definitely.
And Ragga Ruggie there.
Yeah.
Where I'm reaching a capital or extra.
So,
I kiss all the walls. So God, I just saw me there with this a big frying place, I pay a computer and pay a pretty girl up on the Ragga. I said, Jesus Christ, God Almighty, this is my friend, can I touch you? Oh, I'm skin soft like velvet. I said, Jesus Christ. Everybody.
So Ragga, you say that when me say this. How long you been bleaching now?
talking at the fire phone so people them hear your voice strong.
Yeah, how much you worth of bleaching time? Where you use, where you recommend? If me decide say more brown out for the summer. Because I have to start from now because my skin's stubborn.
Yo, you want to go on? You see bleaching cream, brother?
Yeah.
Big man thing.
First, tell me how long you bleach from.
What age you start bleach?
What age?
I bleach about 20 years now with that. I tell you the truth, you know.
Yeah.
I don't want you get tonight in a dragon because I want to stop and can't stop in a brother. And my son tell me if I go back to your black Ragga Ruggie car. Dad, you're cute when you're black. You see that right now, white something I had to eat him. Michael, you know. Oh.
So when they say you want to stop but can't stop, what is preventing you from stopping?
Hard, when you look in the mirror, you're brown and pretty and look like a little dolly and the girl, so cute. Ragga so pretty. You go back to boy, I tell them what.
Don't kill me in the studio. Ragga. Yo.
This is what we are talking about, people. Natural comedian.
Yeah, and I mean, because me no say no the effects of what bleaching does. But you would rather have the skin tone and the compliment.
Don't want to make it get brown.
It damages your skin.
No, if I use the wrong type of bleachings. You know, I know it's orange and bleach. Remember, Ragga, they are foreign, you know. And I don't turn bleaching Ragga I use, you know.
Wait, okay.
All right.
Ragga is the same thing a cartel I use.
So,
remember, if foreign people, them skin are really like stripped to half.
Because over here cold. Over here not.
You see, like, you know, so Ragga get up and wear stocking and
scandal bag.
Scandal bag. And, all right.
Wait, so hold on there. Make a fast in your business a bit. How long you followed England? When you were a teenager or
from it? Yeah, youth. 1999 in England.
A long time.
Yeah, man. And from there,
25 years.
Ragga Ruggie, the only artist.
26, sorry.
Name bad.
6. Ragga Ruggie, the only artist. Never drop off at the farm yet. Always be the top artist in England.
And so this collaboration now that you have with AG, so you forward out a Brixton, collaborate with AG on a weekly basis, you forward out with your energy, you forward out with your style, all of them things there. You reach a capital, you kiss the wall, the girl them tell you say, oh, your skin pretty.
I'm cute.
And you're cute. You understand?
Baby face.
Baby face.
Jamaica Michael Bolton.
So for 2025, so that forwarded 2024, that happened. We're reaching at 2025 now. Are we then going to be getting new projects from Ragga? Because we don't know, say you're a bad artist, you know, you're a bad performer. And you have your song name. But are we going to be getting any new material from Ragga for 2025?
When you say Ragga Ruggie, that is the problem with enough of these artists. You have to stay in a lane. I never try to go to nobody lane yet. I try to stay in my lane. So all me have to do, all Ragga have to do, more costume for the people, them laugh, more entertainment, more idea.
So we're not getting a new song?
Ragga Ruggie always gonna know. Remember, say I say
As in, and when we say new song, forward in a studio, record your new song, drop it, promote it.
I'm gonna be honest with you, my sister. Because I'm an honest youth and I'm a straightforward youth. It's a song, my brains are too this right now.
Okay.
England, no proper, no disrespect to no one. I only, I send about 20 tune Kongi, I have 100 more could I send Kongi. I take out my eye again. Nobody have song like Ragga Ruggie. But it don't make sense.
England have the right platform.
I'm not depend that.
Basically,
my thing, my idea, I want to see like a crane. I don't want to talk about my idea them for people. My thing about song, because I don't know, you can't get right if you write song for your song at least. So, the better, the greatest thing in music or entertainment, song them something at least. You have to know if you can entertain people.
True.
Because most of the big artists, them want what me have, because them can't entertain, them can't do so.
Hey.
Them not on a stage performance.
So the song at least, most, you can't have song and can't perform the song. So Ragga Ruggie, all me have to think about now, more costume, more idea. Because me have millions of songs. I can't DJ from now till the morning. You tap in the squad, I don't want to stop. I want to stop me. But them say Ragga Ruggie in the lyrics. I assure you, say, I don't live my life for people. I do me because I know what it means. I know I'm not DJ the one we have 28 like 9 first verse, you know. I'm not DJ Somalia yet, you know. Look for the Punani really when they done the interview. I'm going to show you something now. Remember, look for the Punani. One of them, I'm wanting to time me. Any artist.
Every rhythm runner.
Any artist. You have the turbo Punani?
Every rhythm runner.
You have turbo?
I say every rhythm run here.
Well done. The show does start.
Ragga, me see you have on 5 ring, right?
More than 5 in my van.
I'm gonna ask this.
5.
I'm gonna ask.
Video and stop.
I'm gonna ask this question because a lot of people want to hear. Like, is Ragga married in a relationship? Or Ragga free for single and mingle with all the ladies them?
No. Me a big man. Me not on that. Me have my partner.
Or you have your partner?
Me have my woman one.
Okay, so
me a big man.
Okay, so
but the girls them love Ragga Ruggie and I
me
love the girls.
just know because
we just have no, because we were asked if you were single.
We are asking because obviously people are inquiring.
Yeah, man.
Because obviously, you know, that Daniel Best go a girl thing, so Ragga put down.
Because you know them like the baby face and the smooth velvet skin.
You know,
yeah.
When man say go dolly,
Ragga Ruggie got one burner like Vibes Carter.
Yeah.
The girls that me have most woman them love me like me. They are ministry of somebody a big line up.
Yeah.
Everybody want to touch my velvet skin, my cute face, my GB eyes, I'm straight out. The girls them just love Ragga Ruggie and I love the girls them, but right now I don't do those things.
One burner.
You see me, the girls them love me. I want to date me, but we don't have time.
Bus driver Junior, big up. I feel like say it's full time for Ragga Ruggie get an entrance in the bus driver link up because I feel like say on that platform
it would have been it would have
no, me not lie, but Junior. You
don't want to get there now, brother.
Listen,
I'm serious.
Give Ragga Ruggie a call because I feel like say
it will bring entertainment,
listen,
especially like the summer show.
It will bring
outside summer show.
No, trust me.
I'm the biggest entertainer in our building.
It will bring something.
I agree.
The party what it never have before.
Yeah, man.
I feel like say,
a full package.
We would have appreciate that. Yeah. Junior, give Ragga a call. Would I like to say that? You see me?
No.
Ragga, tell the people something that we don't know about you, where you say you're a quiet person. Just anything you want to tell them, what you feel like say the mass don't know about Ragga Ruggie.
Ragga Ruggie is a person where I'm not a person that people see. I'm the people who close me know. I like me by myself. I don't like noise. I love nature, the beach, the tree. And I don't like crowded place.
Ragga Ruggie. I know Brixton market that. I know Vauxhall market. Some we never see in a bush.
Like, no, like when you go into the country, like the country scene. I like the country scene.
Ragga, me never. No, me see our country one time. But you don't to do a dance in our back garden.
No, I'm front garden.
Or something like that.
We not go back, bro.
Alright, why for that?
Bro.
Yeah. Why for the back garden? Yeah, in our front garden. But Ragga, we never really see how to do the nature. Ragga, I didn't even see you go like up north or nothing like that. Yo.
No, like people close for me.
Yeah.
I like the nature one.
So basically, what him say, as him said earlier, is he mentioned two person.
Two personalities.
So when you say Vauxhall market, you say Brixton market. So that's the entertainer. And when we talk about now as a quiet person, is the next person the normal
alter
person.
ego.
The Sean. Sean, that's Sean.
Basically, what he's trying to say.
May I ask you, is Sean on social media?
Like?
Me just ask you that side there, you know, the quietness, you know.
No.
Because I feel like say, you have an alter ego, right? Ragga Ruggie over here, so and Sean over here, so I feel like say, I don't know, we have to get on camera for follow Ragga Ruggie and say,
What?
this
You
is a
know,
day in the
we
life
think-
of Ragga
I
Ruggie.
think we need
Yo,
a day in the life of
Jesus
Yeah,
Christ.
yeah.
No, a day in the life of Sean.
People, on take that, you know, we have
Quiet,
got the
man.
two, you know. One
Quiet.
Ragga Ruggie, remember that one day, we only need about 2 days for document that, because I don't feel like say everything you go squeeze in one video. We need about 2.
we need a
yeah.
week.
Quiet, humble, quiet.
So we need. I think that's a good idea. A day in the life of Sean
Yeah, man.
into him.
Cool.
That would be an extremely great idea.
Bus driver Junior, big up yourself. We have talked things in existence because
Yeah.
I know like you are one of the leading promoter in the UK, and obviously Ragga Ruggie is one of the man at the moment, and we don't see it. Social media is leading the way, and obviously Ragga Ruggie, he's not perfect, but he have his perks, he have his talent,
And he brings
he have
something to
his
the
sway,
table.
and trust me, right now at this moment, I gotta work. I go in the office the other day. You know my colleague, you know who me attack, Mr. Foster. He's asking about Ragga Ruggie. Remember this man
And
about
he's British. He's a British geezer.
Dragon.
I know. This man is a proper
He's
geezer,
a
you know.
proper geezer.
Yeah.
Dragon.
Proper
I
geezer.
love you so much, and my sister. There's kids that want to see Ragga Ruggie. Teacher come out to me. The kids that want to see Ragga Ruggie. The church want to see Ragga Ruggie. The old people, them. Ragga Ruggie are saving life. Me have a clean police record. Me everybody a friend. Me respect everybody. Me are one of the greatest. Let me tell you
Him
something.
now make no mother cry.
Let me tell you something upon a big international show here. Ragga Ruggie, no artist. Let me take on my eye again. Thought this loud. No artist right now. No. Better than Ragga Ruggie on a live performance. So, every promoter, listen me carefully. If you can't talk to me, talk to Dragon or my sister. Because I rob me, say them I can rob England. I talk straight because right now, England me I defend and the world. I'm a pitney, I'm a friend. Food. People them not get the entertainment, man. Much great youth they are falling than them youth there. Rowdy area them and free up the youth them, brother.
I feel
Yeah,
so
man.
proud when I see like people talk about Ragga Ruggie and every
You would
look
great.
at social
I
media.
close them with Dragon, man.
Mr. Ragga Ruggie out there, I see somebody. I mean, like, yo, it's just great to know that this is somebody we know. This is somebody we see and
within
get
our
there. Somebody
Promoter, free up,
we
man.
me can talk to. And I'm appealing to all the UK promoters, please do the right thing. Like, we have UK artists who are doing great. We have UK promoters who are doing great. We have UK art acts who are doing great, and we have artists like Ragga Ruggie and also like Danny Bless and Rickard. Please, if you feel like it can fit in your party, because remember, you know,
Incorporate them.
everybody have their moment. Seeing a Ragga Ruggie moment, so me I beg you, no, give me little justice, give me little run.
Yeah, man, him
Remember,
deserve it, man.
If a man decide to squander him money or squander him run, that's for him business. Just give him a fair draw. Me I beg you, no, please. Give him a fair draw.
Dragon, just watch AG live. I never cuss a bad word yet, you know. Remember, say, a frax to me come from, you know. Dragon, remember, say, all them find me, you know. I laugh off of them, you know. Because you know when I laugh off of them, them a give some man are Chileans. And the man them come to them same old normal something them. Them something the entertainment. When you see Ragga Ruggie, you see different thing what the people them need and free the people them mind And Ragga Ruggie don't need nothing. I give you everything to poor people.
Yeah.
So what the fight for? Me not deal with gang. Me alone spar. Me not buy no gun. Me not buy no gunshot. What Ragga Ruggie do no? Brother, on stop fight on yourself, brother. Come on yourself on fight on God, brother. See them a good looking seeing where me thick, rich. Me alright, brother. Serious Jagan. So on stop fight the hungry people and we need like food. Cause me I tell you something, Jagan. All they say them a go on. Them not give you like Ragga Ruggie. See me evidence here. Me have them think that me also do DVD. When I walk to the 14th parish of Jamaica and help out poor people and give back to the school, one food people. So I don't need things for myself, brother. Me give you the most, brother. Me no want no. I buy your tastes, me the hungry boy. I buy your tastes party them and give poor people. Some more time, brother. Me don't know if I wanna say yo, boss, yo, me boss. Black man fi boss it up. Cause man look like crackhead and I say you a crackhead. The man come here come measure himself, man fi clean. Jaga me buy a costume every day. Me spend money on costume. Cause me want look different and my style different. So my boss yeah, if I go out and get a show, it a broke evil. Me, him and Pastor and Flexi evil. If I don't go to perform, I give everything to the youth them cause them run me. I want people feel wanna fight Ragga for. The man them can't perform like me no Jagan. Alright. I try it. Send any big artist who I get Chileans. I mean do it free. Put them on a show, said Ragga Ruggie. Anywhere in a Kernet, Brixton, anywhere in England. You can't Jagan is when you come to show. Let me tell you something. It's when you come and recording to Jagan. We do some of the classes get record. I mean sing how long me I run dance all, you know. You Google me thing them. I mean sing viral prince, you know.
Yeah.
Me sing it, you know, me sing a song named Ragga. You check see Michael Jackson. I mean have the big voice, you know. Alright. Put on any rhythm and some boy can't write any rhythm, which rhythm else whatever. A turbo and he is me go, you know. Them not me can't go jazz, me can't go calypso, R&B, me can't rap, I motivate, me can't do everything, man. I'm a talented youth. Put Ragga Ruggie in a church and put them boy in a church. Put Ragga Ruggie in a school for the people them and put them in a school. Them can't do nothing. Me can't sing for the school, church, everybody. So what they fight for? You fight somebody with talented. Every country promote them artists and big up them artists. England alone must fight against you them. Who bad boy like fouler than them? And Ricardo Royal them. Who bad like them you there? What they must say on key some showing with the youth them. Who bad like the girl them and the youth people them boy? On the staff fight the youth get you them. Cause what better than the man they wanna send for? Who hey a Dragon, me say this again. Go for any artist. Let me tell you one who better than me too. Michael Jackson, Bob Marley, James Brown, Usher. And Chris Brown.
Usher bad yo? And Chris Brown too.
And you know why them nobody than me? Them have big company around them. I mean alone. So not nobody than Ragga Ruggie. On a live performance. Dragon and Chum no want to talk up my idea them and then take them away, you know. Because they run out of idea, you know. Dragon, let me tell you something what me do. Dragon, me have the idea them in my head, brother. Dragon, listen, me come on Brixton where? Me come in a Charlie, in a Tesco, me come in a wheelbarrow, me come out of people.
So you not tell them about your dancing skill, Ragga.
We know about it, man.
Ragga, come here, little bit, me a reason.
You want me break dance? Me can't break dance, you know.
Ragga.
Them can't break dance, sell them for break dance.
Ragga, listen to that. So, you want to feel good?
You know what I'm going to, you know.
Clear it up for we.
That's so.
You want them good?
I guess so now.
Talking at the fire phone for we, Ragga.
You
In at the fire phone.
Them are some youth where we are them born and grow, you know. And we was the biggest star for them in school days, you know. So
but them must say you see them style.
No. Everything have evidence. So you can Google and send Ragga Ruggie a baby with me a baby. When them never was star. So I can't teach for them style. It got the next way. But you don't know true Bounty Killer are the biggest thing them time there. Because we didn't run sugar mine at, but we never didn't get the L there. So anybody Bounty Killer then call them time there, them have a boss. So him get a bigger break. And we appreciate him and respect him and check for him same way. Because we don't fight against people, but if you can't say right now, just send out anybody right now when you say who T from who. And everybody
Jesus Christ, Ragga. Are you make them rob him skin in Brixton? Are you make them rob him skin in Brixton?
No, when it come to Ragga Ruggie, we not make no one rob no one chain nowhere because we no red eye and
I joke him, I make
we no bad mind.
Yeah, I joke.
So
I joke.
Nobody
Nobody go there so. A joke we make.
That was a joke.
That was a joke.
Yeah,
mad
that
style,
was a
man.
joke.
The mad style, brother. You see mad style?
Yeah.
A Ragga Ruggie, man. Shabba ranking, Tiger. And we was a madman, man. You see me?
And I mean you've been saying for quite a while on the show that put it on a platform give you the opportunity to make people see what it is that you are made of. At the beginning of this interview, you showed people a piece of it. Them get the entertainment aspect, but not everybody who is on the live now joined us at that
I
point.
feel like the show done in reverse.
We did it in a reverse, but we're gonna full circle it back.
No, it done right because like you only can do it that way for certain people.
I agree.
Because like remember, this is not a normal interview. This is a special one.
Definitely.
So obviously, when the show started, a lot of people wasn't on the live as yet. Remember, instant Ragga Ruggie forward and is a performance. It's a viral moment.
Yeah. So what we're gonna do now, as we're way over time, Ragga, we give thanks with your pass
Thank
through.
you.
We're looking forward for the rest of 2025 and all that it has to offer for you and what you have to offer to the people themselves.
Thank you.
We look forward for more collaboration with you and AG. MJ, big up yourself. Thank you for passing through as well.
Man, blessings.
Thank you for continuing to support Ragga and his craft.
Yeah, man, and big up TGM Radios UK.
And the Up on Live show.
Up on live,
You
right?
don't know.